Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey sisters, it's your girl Lane. I'm back with another video. As you guys seen by the title and the thumbnail, this is another episode of We Got Food at Home. Y'all know it's fall season. Is it fall yet? Yes, it's fall. We in fall season. It's getting cold, so I'm going to start making different soups. So, if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a returning sister girl, hey boo, hey. But I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let y'all vibe out to the music. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.
Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts, and you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still right these hoods.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open while you acting like it's closed, I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms, my lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with coral reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eats Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
How to Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Damn, maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets live, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn, my uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on the lane. I'm just in the cut, throwing Franklin's on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul. He my nemesis.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Now I'm on. It's midnight. I don't.
Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy from South Detroit came buzzing and I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but way too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend. Just can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me. Tell me anything. Compliment my energy. It's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the.
So sisters, your girl was cooking this while being on the clock, and I had some internet issues where I had to go in, so I was unable to show you guys the roasted, like when they were finished. So that's why we're kind of skipping parts, but I did roast them in the oven like I said previously for 45 minutes or 400, and then I let them cool in the refrigerator for about 6 hours while I went to work, came back, let them sit on the counter just to come to room temperature, and then I put these ingredients in there to blend it up. I don't have an immersion blender, that's why I'm using a blender. Thank you.
You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he quit walking to me. Just lost and then he slapped me on the way that got. Oh, from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die. You thug is rugged bones. Look me, boy, I'm good in every hood. So you fed up on the backwoods. Just trying to show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy from south, but somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Toss me up, other hoes look like they call me up. My baby back and why I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a legend. So alive. We're burning fast. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Guys, I tasted it. It tastes good. I could taste it with chai, I guess. But yeah, I tasted it. I don't even have to season it no more. It's so good. And then I made me a grilled cheese sandwich. But yeah, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out the short and the TikTok that will be posted for this video. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
don't play with her, don't be the size.